Good morning, everybody. Another day, some more hacking. Well, turns out we've got a little ZX Omni here with the SpectraNet attached. It's still not completely untethered because you still need the Ethernet, but you'll notice that there's no power connections or anything else. This guy's running off of batteries. So with that, we'll go ahead and turn it on. Where's the power button there? And we will actually boot into SpectraNet here, talk to the network, mount all the TNFS servers, and they asked us to take a test and make sure that PLATOTERM was working okay. Let's see how it goes. Owen has done some fixes to PLATOTERM to allow auto booting to work correctly. So it works better out of the box with more systems here. So, it's always interesting to try and use this keyboard one-handed. That is to say, it's impossible. And load a copy of PLATOTERM off the network because we're already mounted. No, we won't do graphics fill. We'll go ahead and log on to Errata Online here. So far, so good on our little ZX Spectrum here. Looking good. Let's check our notes real quick. Nice, decent color display, I think. All good. Looking good, and yeah, in case anybody didn't see it, indeed, Happy New Year from Errata Online. Yee. So, there we go. Seems to be working great. Thanks for the work, Owen. Really appreciate it, and I'm sure all of the rest of the Spectrum community appreciates it too. So until next time, have fun.